Once upon a time, in a small, quiet town surrounded by green hills and colorful flowers, there lived a lonely little boy named Arham. He was 8 years old, had soft brown hair, big curious eyes, and a heart full of love, but he had no one to share it with. Arham's parents were always busy with work. He didn't have siblings or many friends, and most days he played alone in the garden with his toy car or sat by the window watching other kids playing in the street. One evening, as the sun began to set and painted the sky with orange and pink, Arham heard a soft whimpering sound near the garden gate. He ran outside and found a small, dirty, shivering puppy with big, sad eyes. The puppy had no collar. He was hurt, his paw was bleeding slightly, and he looked tired and hungry. Arham knelt beside him and gently said, "Hey little guy, are you lost?" The puppy wagged his tail weakly. Without thinking twice, Arham picked him up, wrapped him in his soft sweater, and carried him inside. The beginning of a friendship, Arham cleaned the puppy, gave him milk, and made a bed from an old blanket. That night, he stayed awake for hours, stroking the dog's fur and whispering stories. He named him Max. Max healed quickly and became Arham's best friend. Every morning, Max would wake him up by licking his face, and every evening, they played catch in the garden until the stars came out. Arham laughed again. He smiled more. He had someone who loved him back. They were inseparable. Rainy days? They sat together by the window, watching raindrops race down the glass. Sunny days? They explored the fields behind the house, chasing butterflies. Sad days? Max would rest his head on Arham's lap until the tears dried. They shared cookies, secrets, and adventures. Arham would even read bedtime stories to Max, who listened as if he understood every word. But one day, it was a cold winter morning when Max didn't wake up early, like usual. He stayed curled in his bed, breathing slowly. Arham tried calling him. "Max, come on, boy. Let's go outside." But Max just wagged his tail weakly and closed his eyes again. Worried, Arham told his parents. They rushed Max to the vet, and after some tests, the vet said gently, "He's very sick. His body is tired. He's old and might not have much time left." Arham's world crumbled. Tears rolled down his cheeks as he held Max tightly. "No, please get better. I need you." The last goodbye. For the next few days, Arham never left Max's side. He sang to him, told him about their favorite memories, and whispered, "You're my best friend. I'll never forget you." One peaceful night, as stars twinkled outside and the wind whispered through the trees, Max gently placed his head on Arham's chest and closed his eyes forever. A silent morning. The house felt empty. The garden was quiet. Arham sat alone on the porch, holding Max's favorite toy. He missed his friend more than anything, but